Guy saying they broke up with their girlfriend while we split. Turns out they didn't split. It was because of the coronavirus. You know? Other guy saying why they left the Philippines. Turns out they didn't leave. They went to take care of business home. You know, all kinds of stuff like that. To get views. I'm not really into that kind of stuff. What you see is what you get. Yep. What you see is what you get. I just put in a fresh battery here. Apparently the camera was on. I didn't have any way to shut off after 5 minutes. So that's what I did now. After 5 minutes, if it's not being in use, it will shut off. The Audiorama. Is that what that is? That place up there? Maybe they have plays. I tell you, the year 2020 has been a messed up year. You know? I thought 2020 sounds like magical. The numbers 20 and 20, and if you go back, you know, 0202, but it turns out there's nothing magical about 2020, but the roaring in of the coronavirus. Well, I'm glad I'm inside a nice, beautiful park. I can complain. What's this here? To climb up these steps. It's in Spanish. Introduction. Okay, let me see if I can read the Spanish. Chapultepec is one of the great urban parks of the world, visited annually by more than 15 million persons. In its 3 sections, and that is Las Destinas, or the distinct parts, destiny, interventions, ecology, cultural, levadas, a cabo, and diversas épocas. So I'll leave it there. Anyway, you can read Spanish. So it's visited by 15 million people a year. Nice. But you know what? Unfortunately, 2020 is a different year. And you're not going to have 15 million people here. Look at that. This is rather odd, like a pit. Yeah. See, people ride their bikes, like that lady there going by. Look at this. That's a pit. If you fall in there, too bad. I don't think there's any way to get out. Okay, so I just read a little more here. This right here, this important site known as the hydraulic systems are proposed to include this area. Conocida como, which is commonly known as Baños de Moctezuma, que fue un contendor o alberca que unía el agua del manantial. So this site was constructed back then, the water site, constructed alrededor del siglo, this is 15. So this was constructed around, not this modern one, but back then. This was the 15th century. So that was in the 1400s. That was when the Aztecs were here. Because the Spanish came in the 1500, I think around 1512. So the Aztecs were in this area. See? So this was desde la época pre-hispánica. So this is pre-Hispanic or pre-Columbian era. See? Interesting. Gracias por tu visita. Thanks for your visit. Vuelve pronto means return soon. And it says recuerda que el bosque es tuyo. Remember that el bosque is yours. Respétalo, respect it. Y consérvalo, and conserve it. Yeah, I guess I remember my Spanish. So look at the signs, the restaurants, El Mirador. This restaurant from 1904. Solo para llevar. So right now you can only take food out. Yeah, this is an old restaurant. Only food to carry. So this is like a bus depot here. Augustin Malgar and Chapultepec, which is Avenida Chapultepec, which is the name of the park also. Bosque de Chapultepec. Let's see. Hopefully I can walk around here. This is a highway, no wonder the cars are coming out tungsten.